Case study 1. You are assigned to set up a business and need to borrow a 15,000 ringgit loan for 3 years. There are 2 banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. For the question A, calculate the total interest charged for each bank. Here's the formula that I use for this question. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n. And I equal to S minus P. To find I equal to K per M. And to find N equal to M multiply T. For ABC Bank, S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. So, 15,000 ringgit equal to P open bracket 1 plus 0.0175 close bracket to the power of 9. So, P equal to 12,831.62 ringgit. To find I equal to K per M. So I equal to 5.25% per 3. So I equal to 0.0175. And to find N equal to M multiply T. So N equal to 3 multiply T. And N equal to 9. So to find the interest, I equal to S minus P. So I equal to 15,000 minus to 12,831.62 ringgit. And I equal to 2,168.38 ringgit. For XYZ Bank, S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. So, 15,000 ringgit equal to P open bracket 1 plus 0.0144 close bracket to the power of 12. So, P equal to 12,635.15 ringgit. To find I equal to K per M. So, I 5.75% per 4. So, I equal to 0.0144. And find N equal to M multiply T. So N equal to 4 multiply 3, N equal to 12. To find the interest, I equal to S minus P. So I 50,000 minus to 12,635.15 ringgit. So I 2,364.85 ringgit. For the question B, which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A and give your reason? The answer is ABC Bank because ABC Bank gives the lower interest charge than XYZ Bank.
For Bank ABC, the total loan amount is calculated using the compound interest formula, which is S equal to P 1 plus K over N raised to the power of N times T. In the first 2 years, the interest rate is 5.25%, compounded every 4 months, with a principal of 15,000, a rate of 5.25%, and a compounded frequency which is n equals to 3. The accumulated amount is 60,645.55. For the third year, the bank changes to the interest rate to 5%, compounded semi-annually. By using the same formula with a new compounding frequency of n equals to 2, the loan grows to 17,466.22. By the end of the third year, the total interest charge over 3 years is 2,466.22. For case study 2, part A, Puan Ainun has 2 options for managing her 2.5 million gratuity. In the first option, she invests the gratuity in an account that pays 0.6 interest compounded monthly and withdraws 8,500 each month. By using the annuity formula, we calculate and find that the account will last approximately 318 months or 26.5 years. Over this period, the total amount she will receive is 2,635,000. In option 2, she joins a retirement plan that provides 8,500 per month for 24 years. By the calculations of 8,500 times 12 and times 24, we can get 2,448,000 as the total amount. By comparing the 2 options, option 1 offers a higher total payout. Therefore, Puan Ainun should choose option 1 as it provides her with a better financial outcome in the long term.
Question 2B. After receiving her gratuity money, Puan Ainun is thinking of buying a new scooter for her daughter through an installment plan by making a down payment of 25% followed by 60 equal monthly payment. She anticipates the scooter to cost RM13,850 and the interest charge is 4% compounded monthly. For the first question is, calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. So here, we have to use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n division I. The meaning of A is the present value or initial value. R is the per day payment, I is the per day interest rate, and N is the term of the loan or investment. The question said that point unknown planned by making a down payment of 25%. So we have to calculate the down payment first, which is 25 per 100 multiplied to 13850 equal to RM 462.50 cent. After that, the price of the scooter have to minus the down payment that we calculate last time, which is 13850 minus 462.50 cent equal to RM 10387.50 cent. As I was saying, this question have to use formula A. We have to enter all the information in the formula because we want to know the monthly payment that point unknown can pay. The formula we have I. How do we can find the I is K per M, which is in the question is 4% per 12. 4% is the interest charge, meanwhile 12 is compounded monthly. Another formula is N. How to know the N is? We have to multiply M with T, which is M is 12 while T is 5. Okay, and now we can enter all the information in the formula, which is A is the price of point unknown borrow, which is RM 10387.50 cent equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 close bracket to the power of negative 60 division 0.04 per 12 close bracket. And now we got the answer R, which is the monthly payment that point unknown can pay every month, is RM 191.30 cent. Next, the question 1, the interest charge, which is the formula is I equal to NR minus A. N is 60, meanwhile R is 191.30 cent minus to A is 10387.50 cent, and we get the answer is RM 1090.50 cent. That's the interest charge. Let's move to the second question. If she wants to settle the entire loan immediately after paying the 30 monthly payment, how much additional does she have to make and how much interest is paid? This question also uses the same formula as the first question, which is formula A. Let's put all the information to the formula, but the N is different because point unknown want to pay early after paying the 30 monthly payment. The N is 60 minus 30 equal to 30. Question 1 to find the A, so R is 191.30 cent in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 close bracket to the power of negative 30 division 0.04 per 12 close bracket. Answer is RM 452.74 cent. And after that, question also wants to know how much the interest is paid. So let's calculate. The formula is I equal to NR minus A. N is 30, R is 191.30 cent. Meanwhile, A is 452.74 cent. The answer for I is RM 286.26 cent. Let's move to the last question. If she has not paid her first 5 monthly payments, how much should she pay on her 6th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? So for arrears, we have to use the formula S. The formula S is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N minus 1 division I close bracket. The meaning of S is the maturity value, R is the periodic payment, I is periodic interest rate, meanwhile N the term of the loan or investment. Let's calculate the answer. N is 6 because the first 5 monthly payment one I know not pay and include the month she wants to pay this month. Let's put all of the information in the formula S. So R is 191.30 cent in bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 close bracket to the power of 6 minus 1 division 0.04 per 12 close bracket. We get the answer is RM 1157.41 cent.